Let's talk about gerunds and infinitives, specifically verbs followed by another verb with ing and verbs followed by another verb with to plus infinitive. Which verbs use gerunds and which verbs use infinitives? Keep watching and find out. Okay, everyone. Verbs followed by ing and verbs followed by infinitive plus to. Let's get started. In English, a verb can be followed by another verb. When this happens, the second verb usually needs to change into one of two things or one of two ways. Number one, the ing form. Number two, infinitive plus to form. Okay, let's talk about the ing form first. Here's an example. I really enjoy reading a book at the beach. Two verbs together, enjoy and read. Notice the ing form with the verb reading. I enjoy reading. Number two, infinitive plus to form. Look at this example. I usually manage to read a few chapters of the book at the beach. Manage and read. Here we use to plus infinitive. Manage to read. Some verbs are followed by the ing form, such as enjoy, practice, finish, give up, imagine, carry on, keep or keep on, mind, and suggest. There are more, but these are just some examples. Hi guys, just a short interruption. Please take a second and hit that like button. It really helps my channel. Thank you so much. Back to the video. Okay, let's look at some sentences. My friend practices playing the guitar every day. He doesn't mind spending all his free time this way. After he has finished practicing, he usually goes to the gym. He told me he will never give up playing the guitar. He loves getting better. I think he's going to keep on practicing until he's famous. Keep on means continue practicing. Both are correct. Okay, some verbs are followed by the infinitive plus to form, such as agree, afford, arrange, expect, manage, promise, refuse, seem, and care. There are more, many more. These are just some examples. For example, we agreed to save our money to buy a new house. Maybe me and my wife, or you and your husband or wife. We agreed to save our money to buy a new house. We refuse to continue renting, giving your money to someone else, right? We can't afford to buy a new house right now, but maybe we'll manage to save enough money in the future. We expect to be able to buy one in a few years. So we'll arrange to meet with a realtor then. A realtor is someone who sells homes, right? Okay. Some verbs can be followed by the ing form or the infinitive plus to form with no change in the meaning of the sentence. No change. So you can use either one. Both are okay. Some of these verbs are begin, continue, hate, like, love, prefer, start. Let's look at some examples. I don't like watching movies on my phone. The screen is too small. The sound is not good. So, I don't like watching movies on my phone. I don't like to watch movies on my phone. What do you think? Is the meaning the same? Well, yes, the meaning is the same. You can say both. Let's continue playing the game until we finish. Let's continue to play the game until we finish. It's the same. Same meaning. She began singing a beautiful tune. Tune is a song. She began to sing a beautiful tune. Same meaning. Okay. However, some verbs are followed by the ing form or the infinitive plus to form with a difference in meaning. This means the meaning changes depending on the verb form you use. Okay? For example, I stopped playing the game. I stopped to play the game. It's not the same. What do they mean? Well, I stopped playing the game means I was playing the game, but now I am not. I stopped. Okay. I stopped to play the game. This means I was not playing the game. I stopped what I was doing, something different, in order to play the game. Maybe I was walking down the street and I see people playing dice or cards. And so oh, that's interesting. I stop to play the game. Okay? Another example. The room smelled bad, so I tried opening the window. not this room. The room smelled bad, so I tried to open the window. What do you think? Same meaning or different meaning? Different meaning. What do you think the two sentences mean? Maybe pause the video and think about it. Okay. The room smelled bad, so I tried opening the window. This means this was the solution I attempted. I tried. I opened the window to see if that would help fix the problem. The room smelled bad, so I tried to open the window. Well, this means I wanted to open the window. I tried to open it, but I couldn't open the window. There was a problem with the window. It wouldn't open. Do you see the difference? Another example. Did you forget going to the wedding last weekend? Did you forget to go to the wedding last weekend? Same meaning or different meaning? Well, it is a different meaning. Again, think about what the difference could be. What do you think? Pause the video if you want to think about it. Okay. Did you forget going to the wedding last weekend? Did I say meeting or wedding? It's a wedding, okay? Did you forget going to the wedding last weekend? This means, did you forget that you went to the wedding last weekend? Right? This means you did go to the wedding, but maybe you forgot about going to the wedding. Like you hit your head or something and you don't have this memory anymore. And did you forget to go to the wedding last weekend? This means, did you not go to the wedding? Did you not attend the wedding because you forgot about it? You're watching TV at home and you're supposed to be at the wedding, right? Do you see the difference? Good. I remember buying you a present. I remembered to buy you that present. Not the same. I remember buying you a present. This means this is a memory I have. I remember choosing the present and buying the present at the store. This is a memory I have. I remembered to buy you that present or a present means I didn't forget. I didn't forget to buy you a present. Understand? Okay. Well, let me know your questions and ideas for future videos down in the comment section below. And I'd like to thank you for watching today. If you learned something, give this video a like and subscribe to the channel since you've made it this far in the video. Might as well, right? My name is Liam. This is Grammar Simple, the channel that makes English grammar simple. I will see you in a future video. Bye for now.